3 signs you are using AI to study the wrong way. And number 2 is something almost everyone does. Hi everyone and welcome back to From Thai to Try. I'm Pim and today we are fixing how you study with AI, and by the end of this video, AI will stop being your answer machine and start being your private tutor. Honest moment, a while ago, I was using AI every single day. I felt so productive, but when I tried to explain it out loud, nothing came out. My brain was empty, so I changed 3 small things and everything. Let me show you. Sign number 1. You use AI like Google. You type one question, you take the answer, and then you leave. This is like using a vending machine. Like you put the coin in, you take the snack, and then you walk away. But AI is not a vending machine, it's a conversation. So here is example. I ask AI what is the water cycle. It is the one short question that everyone does. So here is the AI answer us. It's a long paragraph. So most people stop at this one step. So I read this one and I'm not understand that query. So I ask AI explain that simpler, like I'm 10 years old. Here the sun heat it up. Okay, I understand that. So I'm gonna do a follow-up number 2. Give me an example of this from daily life. And here is the example. If you want to know more about your question, you can ask the follow-up question to get more understanding. So this fix is never stop at the first answer. Ask 3 or more follow-up questions every time. Sign number 2. This one almost everyone does. You copy AI answer into your notes and feel like you learned something. I'm sorry, but copying is not learning. Reading an answer is like watching someone else exercise. You didn't gain a muscle and your brain is the same. Here is the fix, and it's my favorite. Don't ask AI to answer you. Ask AI to quiz you instead. Sign number 3. You never give AI your own materials. If AI only knows the internet, it's like the tutor who never met you. It doesn't know your notes, your class, or your weak points. So here is the fix. I open NotebookLM and upload my action notes. Now every answer, every quiz, every summary comes from my materials. I have put all my exact prompt in a free cheat sheet. The link is in the description below. If this helps, subscribe for more real progress. I'm Pim and this is From Thai to Try. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.